How did you sleep last night, Grayson?
Good. Having fun with Lady.
He had fun with Lady. He slept on the cement. Why'd you sleep on the cement?
Because it was raining.
Yep, he was worried that it was gonna rain. Olivia's texting her friends. Grandma and Grandpa stayed at a hotel last night. Lucky them, right? The kids got up and cleaned up all their stuff outside. We're just getting ready for breakfast. All right, Boston, he got in trouble, so he couldn't sleep on the tramp. And then let's see, who else slept outside? How was it, Zach?
It started raining last night. And and we just stayed out there.
Yeah, we stayed on it and let it drip on us because it was so hot.
Good for you guys. Grayson and Will came up here underneath the pergola and slept on the cement. You two slept downstairs. How was it?
We were gonna sleep on the floor, but I'm like, it's too hard. I don't want the couch.
It was so flat.
I slept better on the couch though, so.
Felt like you like a brick on ground. You were just like.
Yeah.
So we just sat on the couch.
You know, sleepovers, you never really sleep that great. But it was fun, right? All right, I've got pancakes to attend to. Oh, hey, I got it. No, I got it.
Where did you find that?
We're trying to book flights and our card isn't working and we are so ticked about it.
No, I'm more mad about that spatula. Where did it come from? That's an.
You know what? Excuse me.
Hi, Christy. This
Thank
is
you.
Joel Hoellein.
Thank you, Christy, for taking him away. Stop it. You guys, it was actually the spatula.
Get that pile of out of my house.
Look what happened to my pancakes when I tried to flip them. It truly is the pancake flipper.
These are a little bit, they've gone a little too long though.
You know, I think it was whoever mixed up the batter's fault. Joel is so cute. He's out there with his little tripod set up. I don't want to like distract him. Okay, I'm distracting him. Oh, he wants me to come here. You look so cute.
Well, I have to redo a clip.
Why?
The audio is all bad.
Stop!
All of it, but just a good portion of it. So.
I'm so sorry. It's so hot outside, but I really want to clean out the inside of my car. It is so disgusting, and I just don't want to clean it, but I really want it clean. I said earlier today, I feel like such a fraud. I put on my workout clothes, and I'm not working out. Oops. For me, sometimes it's just the commitment. If I start cleaning, I'm gonna have to like clean forever and it's gonna take me all day. I am going to, first of all, take the keys out so I don't hear that horrendous beeping. I'm just gonna start super simple. I am just going to start by dusting the dash, and if that's all I get done, then that's all I get done, right? That's the mindset that I'm going to put into this. We're gonna be doing a little bit of driving, and I am just so sick of the car feeling like garbage. This is where we're gonna start, and if I can get more done, then great. Depending on if I get heat exhaustion. Okay, I am kind of the worst. But I got done doing the front seat and I was like, do I really need to do the back seat? Like, do the kids really need me to wipe off theirs? You know, can't they just like drive in their filth? But I'm gonna wipe off their area too, even though literally it's going to be a mess. You know, the second they get in, it's fine. I made it through the wiping phase. Now I'm gonna do the windows. I think I'm gonna get a little more accomplished now that I just get started. It's always scarier thinking about a project versus actually just like starting it and doing it. We might end up with a clean Suburban today, okay? Joel has always made us keep a blanket in the back of any vehicle. He has one in his truck and he always makes us keep one back here for two different reasons. One, to keep this part from like getting worn out or like super dirty if there's anything dirty that we have to put in the back of the car, and for like emergency purposes, like if it's the middle of the winter and we need like blanket, we have it, or if there's like a fire or like just any type of emergency, he wants a big blanket in here. This blanket used to be ours growing up, my family's. We had a really good close neighbor friend that made it for us, and my dog Sunny growing up chewed on the corner. I believe that's what that's from. Not from my dog. Okay, the back is all cleaned out. I found 2 beach towels that I was blaming the kids for losing when really they were just sitting in the back of the car. So clean the back of your car out. You'll never know what you're gonna find. I had high hopes for this new cleaner for these mats. They always look so dry. When they're brand new, they look amazing, but then I just don't think the cleaner I used is going to do as good of a job as I thought it was gonna do. Boo-hoo. Wow, these look way worse than before. Holy moly. Okay, well, that cleaner is a bust. I saw it on TikTok and it looked really good, and it looks absolutely horrendous. So, okay, well, yikes. My Suburban is all the way done, put away, and I even am halfway done with Joel's truck. So I've got it wiped out. I need to do the windows and then just the mats. I feel very accomplished because I wasn't even sure I was going to be able to get the Suburban all the way done. Got the Suburban done. The truck will be done. Feeling pretty proud today. Well, I just came in and completely interrupted Joel. He's on to his second today's task video because, like I said, we're going to be traveling, and so he has to be prepared for next week also. So, I'm gonna close the vlog here. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If it gave you any bit of motivation.
You are so sweaty. I'm wiping the sweat off your back.
Yeah, I know.
It's sweaty.
I know.
Very sweaty.
Okay, well, on that note, have a good day. Goodbye.